hands, and we had some ribs, and the meat was outstanding. Smoked and charred, and that sauce was amazing. Baby, I'm sorry, I know you don't like this. We were having some fun, I forgot to wash up. I got barbecue sauce on my balls, 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 barbecue sauce on my balls, got barbecue sauce on my balls. So now that you know, will you please understand? I can't help myself. This was not what I planned. This was not what I planned, babe. But I promise I'm clean. If I say pretty please, will you get on your knees? I got barbecue sauce on my balls, 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 got barbecue sauce on my balls. Come on! It's not that big of a deal. Just give it a try and you'll see what I mean. I'll wash them real good and I'll rinse them off clean. It won't take very long, I can promise you, baby. Just go right on down, and I'll show you the way. I got barbecue sauce on my balls, got barbecue sauce on my balls.